We present a protocol for the behavioral analysis of 15 to 70-year-old adults engaged in learning processes, undertaking tasks designed for self-regulated learning. The participants, university teachers and students, and adults from the University of Experience, were monitored with eye tracking devices, and the data were analyzed with data mining techniques.
This protocol was performed in compliance with the procedural regulations of the Bioethical Committee of the University of Burgos, Spain. In this research, there were 2 investigation questions asked. Research question 1. Will there be significant differences in the learning results and in the ocular fixation parameters between students and expert versus non-expert teachers in art history, differentiating students with official degrees versus students with non-official degrees, University of Experience, adult education? And research question 2, will clusters of each participant with learning result and ocular fixation parameters coincide with the type of participants? Student with official degrees, student with non-official degrees, University of Experience, adult education, and teachers? Participant recruitment. Recruit participants from among a group of adults within 2 environments, students and teacher, with an age rank of 18 to 70 years old in the environment of higher education, formal and non-formal education. Include participants with normal or corrected to normal vision and hearing. Exclude participants with neurological, psychiatric, and